When you need to view or set a parameter, press the Enter button to enter the correct password default 0001. To enter the main menu of ARD2F, press the left, right button to move the cursor to the corresponding option. Press the Enter button to confirm. Press the left, right button to scroll through 8 main interfaces. These interfaces mainly display the operation parameters of the motor, such as 3-phase current, voltage, zero-sequence current, voltage, current voltage imbalance, etc. Press the Enter button when moving the cursor to System in the main menu. Press the right button to move the cursor to Y method, and press the Enter button. Select 3-phase for line, 3-phase free line, or single-phase to line, based on the actual system type. When the motor protector is 1 ampere 5 ampere specification, the CT ratio needs to be set. If the primary transformer ratio is 1000, change the number to 200 and press the Enter button to save. Press the Enter button when moving the cursor to System in the main menu. Press the right button to move the cursor to Communicate and press the Enter button. The communication address and baud rate are set according to the actual situation. When selecting Profibus communication, the baud 2 needs to be set to Profibus. After saving, the protector needs to be restarted to take effect. Open the IoT web link and log in your account. Click the Basic Data Management. Choose the Project Management. Click the Add button to create a new project as you want. The information you must fill in is project name, customer name, address, and address book. Then click Save. When dealing with the gateway management, please use our mobile app. Click Add button. Fill in the serial number of AWT100 Wi-Fi gateway, or scan the RQ code and click Search. Then choose the project name. Then you will find the gateway is under the new project. As to the downlink device, it will show automatically and no other setting is for this part.